Just a moment. Yeah. Suppose we are having these questions in triangle ABC. If AC is equals to BC and CD bisect angle BCA, prove that triangle ACD is congruent with triangle BCD. Okay, the figure is also given over here. A, B, C, D. Okay, let's see what the question says. Here the question says that in triangle ABC, AC and BC, these two sides are of equal length. Okay, this one is already given. This AC and BC, these two are of equal length. CD bisect angle. See, bisecting means always you have to be careful whenever this type of statement will be given, whether it is bisecting any angle or it is bisecting any side. Okay, so CD is bisecting angle. Clearly written over here that CD is bisecting the angle C. Okay, angle C. BCA means angle C. That means this angle and this angle must be same. That's what the meaning of bisecting is. Okay, and we have to show that this triangle, that triangle is congruent with each other. Now think about it. We are having 5 rules in hand. Okay, only 5 rules we are having. 5 congruency criteria we are having, which we call it as a criteria. So 5 criteria we are having in hand. First one is side, side, side. Next one is side, angle, side. Next one is angle, side, angle. Next one is angle, angle, side. And next one is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and any one of the side. Okay, these 5 criterias, or you can say these 5 rules we are having in hand. Anyone, if we will be able to use, okay, then we can say that we have proof that this triangle, that triangle are congruent with each other. Now whenever you will be having these type of question, please just go and attempt this type of question, because this is very simple. See, ACD, BCD, we don't even have to think about that which two triangle can be taken. These things we don't have to think over here. Clearly written that you must take triangle ACD and you must take triangle BCD. So we will be taking it. Now in this two triangle, what is given? It is given that AC over here is equals to BC over there. It is given in the question itself. Okay. After that, it is also given that angle C is getting bisected. So we can say that angle C over here, that means angle ACD, is equals to angle C over there, that means angle BCD. That too is given. This bisecting condition. From there we are getting it. Now, what else can be taken? Yes, Irshad, you will say. What else can be taken? From this two triangle, two things already given. One information, we have to observe the figure very carefully and we have to take it out. Is there any side which is same, same? Is there any angle which is same, same? Can you tell me? What else is same? Yes, Irshad. In this two triangle ACD, think about it. ACD. Yeah.
Ma'am, CD is common.
CD is common side. Okay, we can see clearly from the triangle CD is the common side. Now think about it, which congruency, you are only going to tell me which congruency criteria is working over here. mark it in any one of the triangle. You must be writing in your copy, right? So mark it in any one of the triangle. Maybe in ACD triangle BCD, just mark everything and check it. Which congruency criteria from this five rule, which rule we can apply over? Tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, ASA, SAS.
SAS, let's check
Yes,
it. This side we have used, this angle we have used, and this side we have used. Yes, SAS. Okay, side, just after the side angle, just after the angle side. This angle is included between these two sides. Okay, in between this side and this side, the angle is included, and hence side angle side. Okay, this rule will only be applicable when angle is included between two sides. Okay, randomly if the angle is here and there, you are using this side, you are using this side, and this angle is coming as a same in both the triangle, then you cannot say that side angle side rule is matching. So these are the minute details which you have to careful with. Otherwise it's very simple. Okay, let's do few more questions. So I'm telling you, whenever you see this type of question that prove that this triangle, that triangle are congruent, please attempt it at first. And I'm telling you, you will be able to do it. Let me take few more questions. In the given figure, if AB is equals to AC, yes, Sazia and Safia, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, AB is equals to AC and DB is equals to DC. Then find, you are already getting Sazia and Safia. Please do it, okay? I am explaining it to Ishad so that we can do as much, like as many questions as possible over here. So in the given figure, okay, the figure is also given. Let me copy paste over here. Okay. In this figure, AB and AC, again this side and that side are of equal length. Okay, and DB and DC, this side and this side are of equal length. And what we have to find, angle ABD, that means this angle, over angle DCA, that means this angle. What is the ratio between these two angles? That's what we have to find over here. Okay, what is the ratio between angle ABD and angle DCA? Okay, let's see. Here again, which two triangle can be taken? We don't know. We don't know which two triangle. We, like, it is not clearly mentioned in the question that you must take this triangle, you must take that triangle. And I believe that this is the type of question where students just start thinking that which two triangle we must take. Here, one of the triangle is ABC. Another triangle is this BDC. Now we are going to take which triangle? So see the angles on the basis of the given information DBDC, okay, DBDC, okay, ABAC, and the angles. Okay, DBDC, ABAC and the angles. Let me mark it with different colors so that it will make sense. So I'm maintaining sky color for this one, AB. Okay, and this DB again I'm writing sky color. That maybe we will be getting a sky colored triangle, maybe. Okay, and angle ABD is also on this side only, so I'm writing it with, just highlighting it with sky color. Okay, now are you getting any idea, Irshad, that which two triangle can be taken? The sky one and the green one. Can you name it, Irshad? Can you name it?
What, ma'am?
We know this one. Okay, we know this one and we know this one. Okay, on the basis of the given information, I have separated it in two color. Okay, I have painted it with two color, I have highlighted it with two color. Okay, the left side I have written with the sky color, you can see on the screen, and accordingly I have marked it in the figure with the sky color, and the other one I have left with green color and I am marking in the figure with green color. Are you able to tell me which two triangle, if we will prove congruent, then ratio we will be able to find? Which two triangle, Irsha? Just focus on the given information and the coloring part, sky one and the green one. Can you tell me which two triangle can be taken from here? We must take two such triangles so that we'll be able
Ma'am,
to find the ratio. Yes,
ma'am, I think angle DCA.
triangle. I'm talking about which two triangle.
Oh,
Yes,
oh, ABC.
ABC. See what I'm trying to say. I'm coming to the.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
Yes, everyone, can you hear me?
Ma'am, the volume is low.
It's very low. Safia, can you hear me? Sazia,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
is it loud enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am.
now. No, it is low.
okay, okay. Now it is fine. So I'm saying that, see, the information is given that AB side and AC side are equal, and also DB side and DC side are equal, and find the ratio between this angle to that angle. Now you need to identify two triangles from this figure. Two triangle you have to identify from this figure on the basis of the given information. Those two triangle, if you will prove congruent, then definitely you will be able to find the ratio between the angle by CPCT. You must choose two such triangle where the sides which are given AB and AC. One of the triangle must be having AB side, another triangle must be having AC side. You need to search two such triangles from the given figure. One of the triangle must be having DB side and another triangle must be having DC side. Again I am repeating, you need to search two such triangle from the given figure so that one of the triangle must be having angle ABD and another triangle must be having angle DCA. By
Ma'am, can we
using,
draw a bisector between from A?
we will just we will just join this two. Okay, bisector or not, we will check, Sazia, that whether bisector is needed or not. But at first, let's join A with D, only joining. We are not saying that angle we are getting same or what. Just we are joining it. Now we are checking, is it possible to prove that triangle ADB and triangle ADC, is it possible to prove this two triangle congruent? Okay, Bisector I have not drawn. I have just drawn according to our construction joining A and D. Just we are joining the point A with point D. Is it possible to prove this two triangle congruent ADB and ADC? Is it possible to use this information which we are having in hand? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Safia and
Yes,
Irshad.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible to use
Yes,
the
ma'am.
information which we are having in hand and to find whatever we are supposed to find by taking this two triangle? Let's check it. AB is equals to AC. Yes, red color triangle is having AB and the black one is having AC. Fine. One of the information, the given information we have used. Now the next one, DB is equals to DC. DB is having like the red color triangle is having the side DB and the black color triangle is having the side DC and that too is given. Okay. Now what else? Again we are having a common side. Yes. Again we are having a common
AD.
side. We
AD.
have just joined A with D and we ended up getting a common side in between these two triangles. Now which congruency criteria is working over here? Who will say?
Ma'am, SS. Side.
Yes? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, side.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which congruency criteria is working over here? From this 5 rules, which rule is applicable over here?
Ma'am, SS. Congrats, great.
SSS. Okay, SSS congruency criteria. So ADB is congruent with ADC. Okay, now let's check whether we have written the name properly or not. Okay, by SSS, side. Name properly means what? AB and AC must be at same place. Yeah, AB and AC we have written properly the first and third combination both side. DB and DC. DB and DC, oh yeah, and AD and AD, yes. So randomly I have written the name, but coincidentally we have written the name properly. If you will find that your name is not proper, please try arranging it. Are you understanding what does it mean? The arranging the name? Safia, Sazia and Irshad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
Irshad.
ma'am, SSS.
Yes. Irshad, do you understand? Arranging
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name means what? You
Yes, ma'am.
understand. Okay, we proved that these two triangles are congruent with each other by using all the information. One day, like when we were, yes, whatever information is given in the question, you are supposed to use it. Okay. So when I was like one story I can say over here when I was very small and I used to like maths very much like from the very beginning. One of my friend came and said that I know that how to solve any question in mathematics. And the trick is our teacher has given one mantra you say or one tips he has given that whatever information is given we must use it. So it's very basic, we know it. It's not any tips, it's very basic, it's very logical, right? Whatever information is given we must use it, right? Right. And we have
Yes,
used
ma'am.
all the information from here, A B A C D B D C, we have used it. Okay, most of the questions, sometimes you will be getting such a question where the extra information will be given, but most of the time, 99% of the time, whatever information will be given, you are supposed to use it. This is not a tips, it's very logical. Everyone must get it. Okay, now ABD by DCA, this angle ABD by angle DCA, the ratio we have to find. Can we say that angle B over here and angle C over there, these two are same by CPCT? Yes or no? Can we say that angle
Ma'am.
ABD is equals to angle ACD by CPCT? So what about the ratio? Ratio will be 1 is to 1. If both are same, 2 by 2, 1 1. Okay, 5 by 5, 1 is to 1. Whatever. Okay, angle we are talking about. So maybe 180 degree by 180 degree, 1 is to 1. Maybe 30 degree by 30 degree. So if both the angles are same, we can say that the ratio between this will be 1 is to 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's move. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, if DA is equals to CB and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA, prove that triangle AOB is isosceles. Let me draw the figure. Here it says that in triangle ABC and ABD, I am highlighting it. But in your exam, if you can't highlight, just keep a pencil with you. Okay, so that you can leave one of the figure as it is. You can just mark with pencil the other figure. And if writing on the paper is not allowed, then please don't. So ABC and ABD is the other one. Okay. Here it is given that in this two triangle DA is equals to CB. So we can see one of the side over here is equals to one of the side over. Okay, angle DAB, the complete angle. See in the green color triangle, the complete green angle. This complete green angle is equals to CBA. CBA means this complete, this blue angle. Okay, prove that triangle AOB is isosceles. We have to show that triangle AOB, it is an isosceles triangle. AOB you can see clearly in the figure, the smaller one. AOB, that's an isosceles triangle. That's what we have to show. Let's think about it. Previously I was telling you, whatever information is given, use it. And whatever we are supposed to find accordingly, we will be choosing the triangle and we will be proving it congruent, so that whatever we have to find, we'll be able to find. Okay, keeping everything in mind, we were choosing the triangle previously. Now, keeping this in mind that AOB is isosceles, AOB is isosceles, which two triangles shall we choose? ABC and ABD? ABC and ABD, which is given at first. Suppose if we will be able to prove that ABC, think about it. Okay, think about it. ABC, the blue triangle and the green triangle. If anyhow, if we will be able to prove that these two triangles are congruent, is it possible to show that AOB is isosceles? Is it possible? Yes, think about it. Irshad, Safia, Sazia. If we will prove, if any way we will prove that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle ABD after this, is it possible to say that yeah, AOB is an isosceles triangle? What does it mean isosceles means? Okay, isosceles means what? Isosceles means anyhow if we will say two sides are same, or anyhow if we will say two angles are same. Okay, in this triangle we need to show isosceles. So anyhow if we will say two sides are equal, then we can say yeah, it's an isosceles. Or maybe if sides are not same, if sides, showing sides as equal, if that is not possible, then we can also think about if anyhow we will prove that two angles are equal. Anyhow if it is possible to prove two angle in this triangle are equal, that means it's an isosceles, then we can say. If we will prove this triangle and that triangle as a congruent, let's think about it, which angle will be equal with each other. Okay, if anyhow we will prove that given triangle, this one and this one congruent according to the given information. Okay, let's think about it, which angle we will be able to show same and which side we will be able to show same. Okay, and then we will be writing everything over. Am I making sense what we are thinking, how we are analyzing the data? Am I making sense to all of you? Safia, Sazia, Irshad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's check if we will prove that ABC. Let me check the name. If we will take ABC, that means DA, this DA and C. DA, no. Angle A over here is equals to angle B over here. Let me write the name properly. Okay, first. And then we will be checking what are the things which we are getting in. Is it possible from there by CPCT so to say that yes, AOB is isosceles? Is it possible? Let me write the name properly. I'm drawing the you can focus over the blue triangle and the pink triangle. The blue one and the pink one. Okay, this pink color angle and that blue color angle is equal. It is given. I am not saying it is given. This complete and this complete. So we are having triangle. I am writing the name by myself. The pink color triangle name I am writing randomly. I am writing the name ADB, and the blue color triangle I am writing the name triangle BCA. Randomly you can write the name. When using the congruency sign, we have to be careful with the name. So DA over here, DA is in which side? Let me check the pink color. Yeah, DA over here is equals to CB over there. Yeah, and what else? Angle A over here given over there. Okay, DA B. Angle A over here is equals to angle B over there. Angle B. Okay. So CBA. What else? It's pink color triangle and blue color triangle. Pink and blue. Pink one and blue one. What is same? What else is same? Please tell me. Can we say side AB is present in both the triangles? Can we? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Is any
half of AB, right?
what do you say? Half of AB means
I'm nothing.
common side. Only the pink triangle and the blue triangle. Orange one, we were thinking about just showing isosceles and all. We are coming to that. Okay? AB and AB is same. So, which two triangles are congruent with each other? Let me check the name now. Here DA, here CB. Angle A over here is equals to angle B over there. It's the same as A and B. And AB and EB. Yeah, the name randomly which I have taken without thinking anything, coincidentally, it came proper. Okay, I'm just copy pasting the same. See, while writing the name, I am not thought. If you have also not thought, you have to check it. If it is not correct, you have to make it correct. Okay, so this is how. Now let me check the criteria, which criteria is getting fulfilled. So pink color triangle we will be taking and we'll be marking everything. So DA side, okay. Then angle A, angle, then AB, SAS, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these two triangle are congruent, but this is not the purpose. Okay, it is not written in the question that prove these two are congruent. No, we want to prove AOB is isosceles. After proving this two congruent, still we need to check is it possible, and if it is not possible, still I have to cross everything, I have to rub everything from here. This is how you will learn mathematics. Okay, maybe 2 times, 3 times, 4 times you will be doing mistake where everything you have to cross and you have to just leave it and you have to start from the very beginning. And once you will start doing solving the question like this, let me tell you, you will get it. Okay, the like whatever portion you are practicing like this, that portion you will feel that that is the strongest portion of yours, because you have by yourself you have figured it out how to solve the questions. Okay, so this two triangle, now from here I am able to write that AD side is equals to BC side. I am able to write that AB side over here, AB side over here. I am able to write from here that BD is equals to CD. What else we can write? I am just looking at the name of the triangle. I can say angle A from here. Proper name of A is angle DAB is equals to angle B from there. That means angle CBA. Okay, without even looking at the figure, I am writing the angles. Angle D from here is equals to angle C from here. So D will write in the middle and A and B here is equals to angle C from here. So C in the middle, B and A can be here and there. Angle B from here is equals to angle A from here. So B in the middle, A and D can be here and there. Okay, angle A from there. So A in the middle, B and C can be here and there. Okay, these all by CPCT we can write. Now we need to check which one is going to help us to show that AOB is an isosceles triangle. So sides is fine, but it doesn't seem that sides will help us. Okay, the big triangle side and the big triangle side, and this is smaller AOB. I don't think it will help. Let's mark the angle. Okay, angle A over here is equals to angle B over there. Okay, pink triangle angle A is equals to the blue triangle angle B. That we already know. Okay, that we already know. What else? So the pink triangle angle D, I'm marking with the sky color. The pink triangle's angle D is equals to the other triangle angle C, the blue one angle C. this angle. I don't think this will help us. Okay, proving that AOB is isosceles. Okay, so far nothing is helping us. Last hope. The pink triangles angle B. Okay, the pink color triangles angle B. Think about it. Pink color triangle angle B I am going to mark with yellow color. Angle B from pink color triangle. This is angle B from pink color triangle. And the other one angle A from the blue color triangle. Angle A from the blue color triangle. And now it seems like we will be able to say that yeah, AOB is an isosceles triangle. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it? How to approach the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever information is given in the question, let's use it. Something will be getting it. Okay. Still, you are having one day, Shad. If you are done with all the remaining chapters, remaining topics, you can sit with triangle and you start solving question from your NCRT first. Okay, and solve all the example, all the exercise question. Do it like this. Okay, you analyze it. Don't just rush and open the book and just check it quickly. Just think about it for a while. If you are not getting it for few minutes, okay, then you can check, of course, but think about it at least. So from here we can say that yeah, no other criteria is going to help. Okay, just the last one is helping us. So I'm rubbing all the CPCTs and all because it is not helping us. Okay, if you will leave it written like this, it will like no one will deduct your marks. Okay, it will be completely fine, but I'm just using whatever is needed, that ABD and BSc. You can write all of them. Okay, no worries. By CPCT. Therefore, triangle AOB. Yes, Sazia and Safia, are you getting it? Is an isosceles triangle. Are you getting?
Yes.
Only you are there. No one else is there. Yes, Safia, are you getting it? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
let's do it. If next question, CD is perpendicular on AB, CD bisect AB, prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let's draw the figure and let's think about it. What can be done over here? So CD is perpendicular on A. ABC triangle we are having. And CD is perpendicular. So let's keep this one as a CD and let's drop CD. That is perpendicular on AB. Let's draw the figure like this. CD is perpendicular on A. Okay, here 90 degree, here 90 degree. That's what the meaning of perpendicular is. Okay, and CD bisect AB also. This CD is bisecting the side AB. Apart from 90 degree, we also know that AD and BD, these two are of equal length. Prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have to show that this ABC triangle, it is an isosceles triangle. Yeah. Which two triangles can be taken over here? Who will say? which two triangles can be taken over here if the given information is
Ma'am, triangle ABC.
triangle. This is given, and whatever I'm writing on the screen, this is given, and accordingly you have to tell me which two triangles shall we take, okay, to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. Which two triangles can be taken? Which two triangle, if we will prove congruent, then by CPCT we will be able to say that yeah, ABC is an isosceles. Think about it and let me know. I have written the given part. I have written whatever we are supposed to prove, and you are going to tell me. You are going to tell me which two triangle can be taken. Yes, Safia, Ishan. ABC isosceles we have to prove. Anyhow, if we will able to say that angle A and angle B are same, then we can say ABC is an isosceles. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if we will be taking triangle ADC, which is clearly visible over here, and triangle BDC, if these two triangles we will be able to show that these two are congruent, then maybe by CPCT angle A and angle B will be same. If angle A and angle B will be same, then we can say ABC is an isosceles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ADC. Was it that difficult to identify? Clearly visible two triangle we are having, and this two we need to show congruent. With the help of congruent, with the help of the concept of congruency, we can show that yeah, having it. The complete triangle is becoming now an isosceles triangle. Okay. ADC. Is it possible? Maybe. Yeah, it is possible. AD over here is equals to BD over there. It is given already. Okay. There is a perpendicular which is bisecting the side AB. I said to you, whenever it says bisect, please read it carefully. Bisect what? Bisect any angle. Bisect the side. It says bisecting the side. Previously in the question it says, okay, it was clearly written that it is bisecting the angle, but here it is bisecting, this CT is bisecting what? It is bisecting the side AB, and that's why by myself I have written AD and BD are equal. Okay, it is given already. 90 degree over here, 90 degree over there. It is given that we are dropping a perpendicular, so perpendicular means 90 degree. So angle D over here, CDA is equals to angle D over there, BD a BDC. Both are 90 degree, and that too is also given. I am not writing it by myself. Now what else? What else? CD size is the common side, right? Right? So no. CD is here and CD is here also. It's a common side. Now let's check whether any congruency criteria is working or not. Sometime you will be able to show that this is same, that is same, that is same. But still you will find that no congruency criteria is matching. So after writing this three information, you have to check AD. This side we have used. Okay, this 90 degree angle we have used. And this common side also we have used. That means side angle side. Yeah, side angle side. Okay, side by SAS we can say these two triangles are congruent. Now let's write the name of the triangle properly. So let me check randomly the name which I have written at the top. Is it still correct? AD and BD. Yes, at same place I have written. Angle D over here, angle D over there. Yeah, I have written it at same place. CD over here and CD over there. Yes. So randomly whatever name I have written, coincidentally that is the correct pattern. Okay, every time it doesn't happen with me. Okay, but sometime if it is happening, great. PDs. If already the name which we have taken is not correct, we will no, we will be able to make it correct. Okay, by SS. These two triangle are congruent by SS. Now, since these two triangle are congruent, so from here, are we able to say that angle A from here is equals to angle B from there? Check it. We have taken this triangle